This is that Toyota pre-runner truck with the body parts off. You can see the complete cage, the rear trailing arms. We have the glass for the rear doors, front doors, no windshield. There's a good view of the upper and lower A-arm and J-arms and the spindle. The 5.3 liter Chevy engine with an automatic transmission. I believe it's a 2001. We have the computer for it, but no harness. This is the rear end. Over here, here's everything you need for the dry sump. The pan has already been changed. Here's the original headlights, tail lights, and some auxiliary lighting. This is a set of front wheelwood brakes, bearings, bushings, everything you need. Here's all the engine parts, the intake manifold, the computer, the electric replacement water pump, and super damper AC unit, new map sensor. Here's your front and rear hubs. There's your gears for the rear end. This is the rear coilover. There's one rear and one front. They've been dry fitted to make sure that they were the right length. Here's some control arms, all the heim joints, etc. that you're going to need to finish, steering parts. There's your windows and your additional mounts. These are covers for control arms, etc. Again, the rest of the hubs. So pretty complete. It's still going to take somebody, a real builder, to finish the project, but most of the hard work and the parts are here. Thank you.